Namaskar. Welcome to Purnam the Reality YouTube channel. It's nice to meet you again after some time. It was the last Deepavali when we had the last YouTube channel uh, video. Those who have been watching this video channel and those who are also uh, are watching our blog, YouTube channel, and also our blog on WordPress, purnamthereality.wordpress.com, know that we have been having blog lessons on Vishnu sahasranama, 1000 names of the reality. It is very clear that 1000 names of the reality help us to have contemplation on a regular basis. One would have read my article, 1000 names of the reality helps to tackle 3 obstacles to a human being: physical and psychological, obstacles due to other human beings and creatures, and due to natural forces like earthquake, lightning, and fire, etc. These 3 obstacles to a human being take place during the waking state or during the dream state, but not during the sleep state. Sleep state is also discussed to a certain extent on my article with the same title, 1000 Names of the Reality helps to tackle 3 obstacles of a human being. During waking state, there is individual and the total. There is subject and the object difference. Dream state also, there is a dreamer and the dream, subject object. But definitely not during the sleep state. Nobody can explain it. There is neither the individual nor the total. It is simply inexplicable. Is it a Maya or reality? It is simply amazing. This video confines itself to unfolding of the fact that Vishnu Sahasranama, or 1000 names of the reality, helps to tackle the obstacles during the waking state, which again reflects on one's dream state. This is also discussed in my article, 1000 Names of the Reality helps to tackle 3 obstacles to human being. Do read it. And also follow my blog, purnamthereality.wordpress.com. Continuing further the discussion about how 1000 Names of the Reality, Vishnu Sahasranama, helps any human being to tackle the physical and psychological issues, physical, psychological difficulties, some physical diseases, some psychological disturbances, because when we chant Om, we are invoking the total. The total is Ishvara or Purnam, the total or the whole. When the total is invoked as the reality, this physical world, Ishvara or Purnam, we are able to have oneness with the total. In this way, the self alienation is overcome by anyone. It is clear and well known fact that most of the diseases are psychosomatic in nature. By tackling these psychological difficulties like depression, etc., excess of sadness, etc., we are able to tackle or cure or at least get relief from the physiological diseases like blood pressure or hypertension, diabetes, heart diseases, etc. This physical or psychological difficulties or problems or diseases take place during the waking state. If the sleep is disturbed, if the sound sleep is disturbed, it is due to the psychological difficulties like depression, excess of sadness, worries, etc. By being regular in chanting of Vishnu sahasranama, which starts from with Om, 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 with each name like Om Vishwam Namaha, meaning Om Vishwam, the total, the world, Namaha, I surrender. Om Vishnu Namaha, I surrender to the all-pervading. Om Vasatkaraya Namaha, that which is given as offering to the total, etc. So each time Om, Om, Om is chanted, we are invoking the totality. We are invoking Ishvara. We are invoking the Purnam, this physical world, in which I am a part, you are a part, everybody is a part. So in this way, we are able to find oneness. Vedas have a lifelong program of study for us. One such thing is Vishnu Sahasranama, having 1,000 names. If you chant this on a daily basis, take up one name for one day, few names like 3 names each day, or 10 names or 25 names, or all the 1,000 names in one day itself. Regularly on a daily basis, if you are chanting, we have a daily program for the entire life. This kind of commitment helps us to have oneness with the reality, achieving peace, happiness, and freedom instantly. So, do subscribe to this YouTube channel, Purnam the Reality, and also the WordPress blog, purnamthereality.wordpress.com. Hope to see you again soon. Thank you. Namaskar.